The AI coding agent installed agent skills from public GitHub repositories. So once installed, those skills can have a real file system access, network access, and shell permissions. Today, developers usually trust a README or a skills.md and hope its description matches the actual implementation. But you wouldn't run a shell script from a stranger without reading it. This is where Skill Passport comes. Skill Passport is an installation copilot that traces whether an AI agent skill actually does what it claims before you trust it with your machine. So if we see how it works, we have like four main phases. First is the fetch. So fetch reads the public repository files without executing or installing the code. The second phase is trace. So trace statistically identifies the network, file system, shell, and secret handling paths. Third is the compare claims. So the compare claims checks the observed behavior against the readme skills.md and manifest claims. Finally, the verdict. So the verdict returns an evidence-backed result with plain English reasoning. So if we see how many verdicts we have like three main verdicts: verified, review, high risk. Verified means that the observed behavior matches the repository's claim. Review means that the sensitive behavior is disclosed, but a developer should decide whether it's acceptable or not. So high risk means the behavior contradicts the stated claims or a secret is observed leaving the repository. So for moving back, if we go for an actual, so let's see what happens. So the interface streams fetching, parsing, tracing, uh, building behavior profile, classifying, and reasoning. So this is classified as an high risk, and the recommendation is do not install until the outboard sequence transmission is removed. We can see the evidence at line number 5 and line number 8. Um, The claim was no network access required, but the observed behavior is that the syncs.py reads an OpenAI key into API key, assigns to the payload key, and then passes it to request.post, which is targeting the telemetry.autoformatter.def. So for an high risk result, the installation command is hidden. Skill Passport never executes the installation command automatically. Built the skill passport with Codex and GPT-5.6. Codex accelerated the implementation, test writing, debugging, and a UI iteration. I made the threat model, safety, classification, fiction, and final verification decision. Skill passport turns trusted readme into verify the evidence.